How to change caption language on YouTube app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change caption language on YouTube app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on a device. Log in to your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of screen. Choose gear icon at top right corner to access the settings section. Now tap on General option at top of the screen. Scroll down and look for the option of Caption language. If you don't find, you need to come back this section and then under this settings section you will find out video and audio preferences section where you have to select captions. Tap that. Now make sure to toggle the button on for caption preferences and then you will get the options of language. Choose language option and here it has been set to default. You can easily scroll down and check mark that particular language to which you want to change the caption language on YouTube app too. So according to your convenience, you can easily choose any language and tap on it. So that is how we change caption language on YouTube app. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.